I, Mrs. Vineeta Philip, Assistant Professor of Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, present my subsequent video on the topic Problem Solving Skills. In this video, I would be discussing some of the problem solving tools. To list a few, they are cause and effect diagram, brainstorming, Pareto diagram, histogram, value engineering, control chart, and check sheet. The first tool that I would be discussing is cause and effect diagram. This tool is good for seeing the whole causal relationship. It's also called Ishikawa diagram and was created by Kaoru Ishikawa. This tool can be used to identify potential factors causing an overall effect on the product design and quality defect prevention to identify potential factors causing an overall effect. As you see, the smaller arrows connect the sub-causes to major causes, which in turn could lead to a quality problem. The second tool is brainstorming. It's a tool which enables a team to find a solution for a problem by gathering a list of ideas. 4 steps to sum up this tool include encourage wild ideas, quantity rather than quality ideas, suspend judgment on good or bad, ride on another's idea. The next tool is Pareto analysis. It is a formal technique useful where many possible courses of actions are competing for attention. It's a creative way of looking at causes of problem by stimulating thinking and organizing thoughts. This technique helps to identify the top portion of causes that need to be addressed to solve the majority of problems. The application of Pareto analysis in risk management allows to focus on those risks that have the most impact on the project. Histogram is a way to display the frequency of occurrences of data along an interval. It helps us to make the decision-making process a lot more easy to handle by viewing the data that was collected to measure performance. As the name suggests, value engineering tool provides the necessary functions in a project at the lowest cost by the substitution of materials and methods with less expensive alternatives without sacrificing functionality in an attempt to improve the value of a product. It is the method to improve based on the relationship between function, that's operation and cost, and the desire to increase the value. It is also known as value analysis. Control chart can be used to identify improvement projects, establish infrastructure and project teams, provide the teams with resources, training, and motivation to diagnose the causes, stimulate remedies, and establish control to hold the gains. The last and the final tool that I would be discussing in this video is check sheet. It is basically a form of document used to collect data in real time in a manner which meets the objectives and in turn aid in problem identification, which is one of the most essential steps in regard to problem solving. In a nutshell, these different tools are fundamental instruments to improve the process and product quality. These can be used to identify product quality issues by examining processes, identifying key issues, controlling fluctuations of product quality by giving solutions to avoid defects in the future. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.